Welcome to our chocolate factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how chocolate is made, step by step. Let's take a look inside.
Chocolate begins its journey on cocoa farms, where ripe pods are harvested by hand. The beans are fermented for several days to develop their rich flavor, then dried under the sun. After careful drying, the beans are shipped to the factory for transformation. Roasting enhances the chocolate's aroma and deepens its flavor. What remains are cocoa nibs, the pure heart of chocolate. The nibs are ground into cocoa mass, also known as cocoa liquor. Different ratios create dark, milk, or white chocolate varieties. Conching can take hours, even days, removing bitterness and creating smooth texture. Initiating texture analysis.
Data logger is ready. Penetration at 1.2 millimeters.
Readings are stable. Tempering carefully cools and reheats chocolate to stabilize its crystals. Cooling solidifies the chocolate into its final form. Every bar is inspected for perfection. Every product is checked before leaving the facility.
And that's how chocolate is made, from cocoa bean to delicious bar.
From cocoa farms to your hands, that's the journey of modern chocolate.